When we hear things like that, here's what we typically end up doing. We try to justify. So we show back up with our L&D thesis, Chris's 5-point maturity scale of benchmarking your program. Hey, I love that thing. I'm passionate about it. I'm passionate about it in my discussion with other L&D leaders. I would rarely, if ever, bring something like that up in a discussion with launching new programs. This arena, the arena of getting executive support to go launch and expand new programs, is not the right arena for learning theory. Same thing with ROI monsters. Well, Chris, we won't do this because we just don't think the ROI is there. So what do? We go build a 10-page robust ROI on every possible thing that could be derived from this program. And we still get told no, because I don't think it was the ROI to begin with. And there's nothing we can put together generally to convince them if that really is the belief. If the belief really is that training and education doesn't make the world a more compassionate and competent place, we have bigger fish to fry. I can't win over that type of non-believer. But I don't think they're a non-believer. I think that's what they told us. Finally, what we can't do to justify, but we do over and over again, is just kind of echo chamber the HR headlines. Great resignation, quiet quitting, employee engagement, multi-generational workforce. We all know those things, and they are absolutely things that we should be talking about. But in this context, showing up to get the final approval to go actually launch and expand these programs, any one of these three things should not be a focal point of the conversation.